February is here and today I'm going to be sharing with you my progress on my project pan, and I'm so excited because I made pretty good progress. Like, I was pretty shocked on how much I used throughout the month, and I'm really excited because we are going to be rolling out a project. We're going to be rolling out a product and rolling in 2 products. I am new at project panning. This is my first one that I've done, and I've been pretty intentional with my products. Like, I always wanted to use them up before I buy anything new, so this was really fun for me to do, and it was actually fun to track the usage and see how much progress I could make in a month on a product. I want to say I weighed everything in grams and they're all the exact same. Like, they weigh the same, and yeah, so I don't know if you guys weigh your products. If you do project pans, what do you weigh them in? I feel like I did make some good progress. So let's get into the products, and I'm going to share with you how many times I used them and everything like that. So we're going to talk about lip products first, because if you guys watched my introduction video to the project pan, I included 2 lip products that I do want out of my collection, so I am working towards getting these out. Now, the funny thing is I actually marked my usage by how many days I applied the product. So in total, I did my makeup 10 days with these. So in 10 days, I may have applied this like 3 times. Maybe some days I used this 2 times, but I just tracked it like, okay, today I did my makeup with this product once. So I used these for 10 days, and it was really interesting to see. So I weighed these both. They weigh the exact same, and I actually took pictures and marked on a piece of paper how much product I had, and they're basically the exact same. And the problem is now with my Fresh Sugar one is it broke. I have such a hard time with these. With the Fresh tinted lip balms, they always end up breaking on me, and that is why I won't get any more unless it's free from Sephora, unless it's a gift, it comes in a bundle. That's the only way I'll get them. So I feel like for 2 lip products that I'm not the biggest fan of, I feel like I did okay 10 times each. I have a feeling this ColourPop one is going to be in here for so long. I have tried this as a cream blush and a cream eyeshadow. I didn't like the consistency on my face, and I feel like the lip balm is going to probably go quicker just because now it's broke and I do want to get it out of my collection. So I have a feeling I'm going to be using this quite a bit in February. So these ones here, not anything too exciting, but you know, to use them 10 times each, that's, you know, pretty good in my opinion. The next item is actually going to be my Marc Jacobs mascara. Now this one here is the product that I'm rolling out because I did get this a few months ago and I only use 1 mascara at a time, and I do feel like this one does really irritate my eyes. I have been trying a new mascara. You guys will find out what that mascara is in February, but this one here I just found it irritated my eyes, especially like towards the middle of the day. I feel like they would get really like dry and sting a little bit, and then if I were to put this on my bottom lashes, it would smudge. So this one here, I just didn't think it was worth the price in my opinion, and I just feel like if you were to put this and a CoverGirl one beside it, I would probably just pick a CoverGirl mascara. I don't think it's worth the money in my opinion, but I am going to roll this out and I will include it in my February empties and talk about it more there. So I did use this 7 times in the month of January, which is pretty good, and I am happy to finally see this be rolled out of my makeup collection. Let's talk about the dreaded palette. It's not dreaded, like I love using this. It's really nice to use actually, but my Too Faced palette. And this one here, I feel like when I go and actually stick my finger like in here, there is a dent, and I have a feeling that I'm gonna hit pan on it very soon. Like soon, I want to say like maybe next update I will have pan on this because I feel like it's getting there. Now when I weighed it, it weighs the exact same, so I don't understand that. But I have been using this for my eyes, I have been using it as blush, I have been using it as setting powder, I have been using it quite a lot, even for bronzer, just because the shade is like very like natural and golden. I can use this for like a lot of different things. I have have used this 12 times this month. So I have a feeling very, very soon I'm gonna hit pan on the shade and then I can start my Pan That palette. So I'm really hoping that February is my month. Like, I am using this as setting powder, bronzer, blush, eyeshadow. I'm hoping that I'm gonna hit pan on it soon. And I'm just gotta say, these pans take a long time to pan. The next one is actually going to be the Beauty Crop Glow Milk. Now this is a body or face illuminator. How I've been using this is actually as a highlight. I've been using it as eyeshadow. I have been using it mixing with my foundation, and I've been really enjoying this. Now I'm not actually trying to like really use this up, like I really enjoy it. So I put this in here because I like to use it. I don't have like a specific goal to use this in a couple months or anything like that. In the month of January, I used this 7 times. And I can't believe that. Like, I have used up quite a bit just using it very, very naturally. Like, if I don't want to use it one day, I don't. If I do, I do. And now, if I ever want to use this quicker, I can use it in my moisturizer and have like a really nice glowy moisturizer. But I won't do that until the summer. So maybe once spring or summer comes and I'm wearing like dresses without tights or shorts, I can start to use this with my moisturizer. But for now, I'm really happy with just using it naturally. And I mean, I made a pretty good dent in this for my first month. The product that I am most shocked about is my brow pencil. Now again, it's in grams. It said it weighed the same. I think I need to weigh it in something different, but when you look at the actual chart, I have actually used up quite a bit of my brow pencil, which I am really surprised about. So when I put this against the line of when I started, I have used up quite a bit of this brow pencil, and it gives me hope that I'm gonna be able to finish this. Now I have a feeling this is going to take me probably 2 or 3 more months to finish. I have a feeling it's going to take me that long, and that's okay because I'm finally seeing progress. So I'm really excited to finally see a lot of progress with this product. And actually the thing is, I have been using this product even if I'm not doing makeup. I have used this 13 times in January. I have been just doing my brows and a little bit of concealer throughout January. Even if you're not doing a full face of makeup, you can just apply like a brow product really, really lightly many days in the month, and you can use it up faster. So this I'm excited about because I feel like I did really, really good progress, and I think soon, you know, in a couple months, like 2 to 4 months, this will finally be gone, which I'll be really excited about. I feel like I had a good month of usage, and now I know that I do my makeup about 10 times a month. So it really gives me a realistic idea of what I should have in my collection and what I should use up a little faster. So like I was saying, this Marc Jacobs mascara is going to be rolling out, and I will talk about this more in my February empties. So I'll put that aside. And the items that I'm going to actually be bringing in, one of them you're going to laugh at. So I'm going to save that for last. But this here is actually going to be my Orly nail polish. Now I have quite a few nail polishes that I really need to work through, and I was debating on if I should do this as like a series on my channel where maybe once a month I update you on my nail polish, so like a Pan That polish. Because what I have an idea is I want to set usage goals. So I actually typed in just random generator. I went from 1 to 12 and I got the number 4. So I'm going to keep this in my project pan and use this 4 times. So if I do my nails 2 times in a month, that counts as 2. If I do my toenails 2 times and then my fingernails 2 times, that counts as 4. So I want to start rotating through my nail polishes, and I felt like this would be a good way to do it, is just doing either a Pan That polish, if I can do a separate video after I use this 4 times, or I can include them in my makeup Pan That palette. My makeup project pan, oh my goodness. So anyway, I'm really excited. I'm gonna do 4 uses. If I do 4 times in February, that's great. If it takes me an extra month or 2, that is fine. Just feel like it's gonna be a way to get through some nail polishes instead of buying new ones and going to the salon. The next one, I really don't want you guys to laugh at me. Like, I can hear some of you right now in the comments, but there's a reason why I'm including this. I actually mentioned in my minimal makeup collection video that I had a lip balm from the Body Shop that I've had for 2 years, and I've been working on it. And I wanted to put this in here because I know myself. If I don't put this in here, I'm either going to lose it, forget about it. My goal for February is to focus on the new lip balm and the fresh one. And here is what's left of the one from the Body Shop. Now, it doesn't look like there's very much, but I'm telling you, I probably have like a week or two like worth left in here, and I want to use this up. I know this is an extremely easy product to like use up, but if I don't put it in here, I won't focus on using it. And in February, I really want to focus on using these two. So I'm going to have very, very natural looking lips for February, but that is fine. These two are my most like neglected lip products, and I really want to just use them up. And they're very, very easy to use up. I use this every single night, and I use this almost every single day. So anyway, just to recap what I have currently in my project pan for February is going to be my Winky Lux eyebrow pencil. This is just going to stay in here until it is finished. I have my Tarte Hot Buttered Rum. I am working on panning the shade Buttered Rum. I really hope that I hit pan on this in February. I have a feeling I will. The next one's actually the ColourPop Just a Tint in the shade The Stranded. Because I am focusing on two more clear, like tinted lip balms in February, I don't know how much I'm going to use this, but we will see, and it's gonna stay in my project pan until it's empty. The next one is actually going to be the Born to Run Lippy Lip Balm from the Body Shop. This is going to be emptied in February. That is my goal. It's going to happen. I'm saying that now. I also have the Glow Milk from the Beauty Crop, and I am going to keep this in here just until it is finished. And my goal for the Fresh Tinted Lip Balm is to keep this in here until I have used it up. And last but not least, this is the nail polish from Orally, which I am going to have in here for 4 uses and then either roll it out and include a new one or start a pan that polish. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you are doing a project pan. I would love to check it out. And if you're not, let me know a product that you have really been enjoying lately. Hair care, skincare, makeup, whatever it may be. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you enjoyed this video, because I do monthly empty videos, monthly project pan videos, and I would really love to start doing a pan that palette and possibly a pan that polish. Wow, I would have a project pan, pan that palette, and pan that polish. If you guys want to see those 3 videos every single month where I talk about my usage and updates and everything like that, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you think I should just roll the nail polishes in with my project pan, that is good with me too. But I hope that you are all doing well, and I will see you all in a video very, very soon. Bye.